All right, drink we're about to make is called Death from Above. Sounds scary. Let's put some ice in a glass here and measure out 1 shot of 151 and also 1 shot of gin. There we go. And follow that up with about 3 ounces of cola. That'll give us a dark death color. Now grab a spoon and mix it up. Get everything mixed together. And I got to warn you, this has got a lot of alcohol in it. A shot of 151, that's very strong. And also a shot of gin. So if you want to find a way to get yourself nice and toasty with some cola and alcohol, this is the drink for you. Go ahead and set up your glass and pour it in. And you have Death from Above. Give it a straw and bottoms up.